Okay, today's Saturday. We're first of all starting the Saturday off with going to Tim Hortons and getting a coffee because we cannot start our morning without that. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the combine. Yesterday, some other local farmers were actually harvesting their corn and kind of got me like, okay, we need to get going. I need to switch the header over from soybean to corn. And I need to put a bunch of new lights on the combine because we're gonna be doing some of it at night and you literally cannot see anything with the lights that are on it right now. I think they're the original from the 70s. So I ended up buying a bunch of these. I got about 8 or 9 of these and then one heavy duty spotlight. It's like basically the same thing, but these ones are 1450 lumens and they're actually, you know, IP67 water resistant, so they should be pretty good. We already have one on there and it really just kind of made a huge difference, so I figured if we times that by 7 it should be pretty good. Okay, coffee, then go combine, and then, yeah, okay, let's go.
All right, there's the Green Dream, 1975.
I hope it does. Fired right up, baby. So we got to change over the soybean header to the corn header, and then we just measured and it should fit in the building, which will be nice because it'll be warmer in there to do some shit to it today. But I think first thing is I have to get these off. I think these slide back, but I'm not 100% sure. There we go. That slid back. So if I remember correctly, then you take this off, then that's disconnected. Okay, don't lose that. Okay, we gotta go to the other side and do the exact same thing. Yeah, so this comes off, like we got this.
That's free there now.
That's free and the other side's free.
Okay.
So then you're saying this?
No. That bolt there.
This one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's one on the other side.
Oh, because this plate is part of this. I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It comes apart right here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll get 7/8 or something.
Special guest appearance, Lauren. Well, that came off pretty good. Oh wow, that's the green bean sprouting?
Yeah. Now, Taylor, there's another dirty job here.
Hey?
There's another dirty job here we should do.
Yeah? Okay, we got the combine in here. Now we're gonna start and we're gonna do the lights. So what I'm thinking is,
Gotta count how many I have more.
so maybe I'll go grab them, I'll lay them out.
2 more here, 2 more there. And then because when we're doing corn, it's gonna fill up way faster. So what I might do is add one there so that when we're side unloading,
And that's what I bought, this extra spotlight light, and I think that I'll put that one there. And I don't think I need any on the back, maybe, but I could just use a flashlight for that. But yeah, let's get these changed over.
so this is what I have. So I think what I'm gonna do, so I have 3 plus 1. So this one here, I don't know, this one's supposed to be a really good spot slash flood. So I'm probably gonna mount this one right here to replace that one for the auger. So that we can see from the side. And then I'm gonna put 2 on this side here to illuminate this side so we can see on this side. So I think we'll have 2 LEDs there, 2 LEDs there, and then 1 LED on the back auger. And that should be pretty good. One super cool tool I'm gonna be using is the Milwaukee 90-degree Impact. We got this sent to us a little while back and the guys have been using it and they love it. I've never had the opportunity to use it myself, but we're gonna be using it to take off some of these lights. It has a couple different settings on it. 1, 2, or 3. We'll start on 2. It's got a little light. See how handy it is. Nice. You know what? This is actually really handy. A normal drill wouldn't be able to fit in here. And this thing is, that's on number 2. That's not even on the most powerful setting. And when we were doing soybeans, there was this big hole here that we were losing production out of, losing some of the soybeans. So what Joe's gonna do, because he's better at doing metal stuff than me, he's gonna use this, he's gonna cut out a section, replace it, and you'll see on the time lapse, but that's what we're doing. I got these 2 LEDs installed up here, or 1, sorry. We did one the other day, and then 2 over there. Joe's taking all the glory. It looks like he's actually doing it, but I put those up there. I'm just waiting on some electrical stuff. But he did this here. If you guys saw the time lapse now, I gotta be 100% fair. This metal is super, super thin and shitty to weld on. So, yeah, but did an awesome job. It's all sealed up, and now we won't lose any corn when we go to do corn. Why are you coughing?
I don't know, I just have this wicked dry cough all of a sudden. And I'm really hot. Well, I'm sweating too, so maybe because I put long underwear on.
Did you?
Well, I thought I was going to be outside a lot more.
I think we'll be able to see now. I think that's probably good for the front.
Yeah.
I don't need to go crazy. All right, maybe Joe had a good point. When he was at nighttime, he couldn't see inside the bin when he was filling it up. So maybe what we'll do, we'll see if there's power on top of the one that's on top of the bin right now, and use that spot one that I have, and just put that one there, and then should be pretty good. It's white with blue lines through it, or green lines rather. I don't know, blue or green.
Blue or green?
I'm colorblind. Seriously? No. Yeah, this is what it looks like.
Okay.
What we're doing is, like I said, we were trying to put a light down here in the auger and then a light here, but neither of these have power. So what he did was pulled off the panel in here where we pull stuff off of, and he's trying to trace this wire, but I think what we might do is hook it up to the blinker and do some kind of stuff, just because I know where the blinker wire is, so we might do that, but I'm not sure what his game plan is.
Put it on the ground.
Oh, fuck, dude. Oh, that is bright in here, man.
Yeah, you should be able to go down.
How down do you want me to go?
Right there.
Okay, shop's clean. I just want to go over and show you guys, just briefly go over what we did today. In a couple of the clips that you watched, you saw us using a torch and heating up thing. That was actually for the ladder. And why we had to do that was this ladder actually moves up. So you pull this lever, the ladder swings up. And why that does that is because with the corn header, it's a 4-row corn header, but it doesn't go wider than the tires. So if you left your ladder down, it would completely wreck a row each time you went by. So that would be no good.
Yeah, just like that. So that's up. Yeah, and then that's down, and then you latch it. This was seized, like had not been moved in so long. Greased up everything, waiting to put the corn header on. Mechanics coming. We got two lights, one light facing out so that when we're side unloading, you'll be able to see one light facing into the actual pit where the beans are. I don't know what that word is called. And then one light facing the back so that whenever you're running, you can see behind you. And if you want to get out and check to see how you're cleaning stuff and check behind you, then you can do that as well. That's a wrap for this. The old 1975 4400 got a little bit of a remodel today. Super happy with how it turned out. Well, I got the hat on. You know what that means. It means it's time to go combining. Okay, so we ended up getting the corn header on. We just hooked up these chain pieces and the bolts. Yeah, our auger, whenever you pull the release on the auger, it wasn't engaging, but there's a tightening bolt in here that you can tighten, and that's what we're doing.
Once you get in there, I'll get you to rev it up.
Yeah.
And see what your cylinder speed is.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll keep an eye whenever we start on that, the oil, and just see.
Just start all of a sudden.
So we did all of what you guys saw, and then what we realized was we were kind of slipping when we were going in reverse, and it was like oil was on our drive belt kind of. And then we opened up this. As you can see, there's oil all down here. This whole area is glossy with oil. This is the oil reservoir on it. So what I did was got in here, I got him to turn it on whenever he turned on kind of the back end and the front to engage the hydraulics. And we found out that this line here has a big pinhole leak up there that squirts the oil out over all of these belts whenever it's on. So I'm going to wash it off, spray it off. He's going to see if he has a replacement. If not, it's Sunday and we cannot get a hose today. So that would be a short-lived farming day, but that again is just farming, and that's part of it. So all right, Joe ended up getting everything, helping us, giving us a hand pulling the boot off, and we ended up getting it out. It's all disconnected now. Now I need to do a couple things before we are up and running. I'm gonna head to the hydraulic store tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna get them to do up one of them. It's probably cost like 11 or 12 bucks, but it's Sunday, everything's closed, which no big deal. If it wasn't meant to happen, it wasn't meant to happen. It means the corn can dry out for another day. There's the line here. You guys can see. Kind of a bummer, but whatevs. No big deal. We carry on. Thanks for watching the video. As always, you guys have a good one. Make sure you guys are subscribed, liking the videos and all that good stuff. My glasses are about to fall off my head. Have an awesome day. Take care. But of course, I didn't forget of you guys, the true Patreon channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, light it up. Why light it up? Well, we lit up this combine today with about 8 or 9 new LED lights. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, make sure you guys comment down below, light it up. I appreciate you guys. As always, we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.